Welcome to the Notion Plaza YouTube channel. On this channel, we celebrate the amazing community of Notion creators and users. This is just one part of an omni-channel experience celebrating this wonderful community of business owners, content creators, entrepreneurs, and individuals who use Notion every day to build and improve their business and life. Our videos will showcase new Notion templates, give full tutorials and demos, talk to the community, and share interesting and creative ways that Notion has been used to transform lives. There are a lot of YouTube videos from creators showing their own templates. But on this channel, we feature templates from all creators and we put them to the test and see how they work. So if you are a creator or a user in this Notion community, you'll want to subscribe to this channel so you can get template reviews, creator profiles, community insights, and hopefully gain some new inspiration on how you can use Notion to improve your life. And after you subscribe, make sure you comment down below and introduce yourself because we would love a chance to meet you. Thank you for being part of what makes this community special.